Hi, I'm Julie with Petty John Quilting and Arts. Recently, we added embroidery to our services, and we're real excited about that. We got a baby lock array machine. The only thing that keeps happening to me that's a little bit frustrating is that the cover on the bobbin keeps either coming completely off, as you can see it has here, or the cover will get partway open and I can't get it to stay closed. If that's happening to you, I'm going to show you how to fix it. First, this bottom piece needs to come off. There is a screw here and a screw located here, and you'll just need to loosen them, and you'll need to use this Phillips head screwdriver that came with your machine. Then this should come off very gently and easily. Now, let's see how to fix this. Remember that this piece, although this is the finished side, when you put it back on your machine, it goes in this way. And this will close up on the bobbin this direction. Now, the very important part is this. So what you want to do, it's a little tricky to get it to work just right. See these parts right here on the end? Those will fit right in here. And that's where it will move. Now, this has this little hole right here that's going to fit over that hole. This has a hook, kind of a little bit of a hook, that will fit on this. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to put it in, slide it in with it over that little hole, and then try to hold that on. Now, this is the tricky part, because it works very easily to put it on when part of it's underneath, but getting them both up at the same time is the tricky part. So we're going to do one side and then the other, and we're going to be somewhat gentle, somewhat firm. So we put one side in, then the other side. I have it fixed now, see? So I can now open this, clean my bobbin, change my bobbin, close that. So now all you have to do is put this back in place, get your two screws that you took out, and put them in here righty-tighty to tighten it up. And that's all you need to do to fix it. You don't need to take it in for servicing. Okay, if this has happened to you, I hope this helped, and good luck.